This video shows the production process of a special shaped battery pack. Let's connect one of the part of battery in series. Paste a piece of a paper in the middle of the cell. The purpose is to isolate the protection board and the cell. Let's look at another part of batteries. This is a fake battery, used for placeholders. Then arrange it like this. Connect batteries in series like this. Six wires to be connected to the protection board. 2 of them are output wires. The other 4 wires should be connected to the battery. 3 wires can be connected to the battery directly through the nickel strap. Another part of batteries we connect with a nickel strip. Then straighten the battery pack. We operate on spot welder. The batteries used this time are still Samsung 32E. Why we use a fake battery? Mainly for looks. We will try our best to meet the requirements of our customers. This is done. Let's take a look at the semi-finished product. Next video brings next steps.